Welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by Jami Jo Sells Wax here on YouTube. I am Jami Jo and I have a Scentsy box here that we are going to unbox together. Guys, I am a Scentsy consultant and I have been a Scentsy consultant for over 15 years now. I started all the way back in October of 2008. I started just as a hobbyist. I really never expected a business out of this thing. But long story short, this is now my full-time business. And I absolutely love Scentsy fragrance. I love the way that fragrance can just really change a mood or change an atmosphere. I love the affordability of our products. Like, I could go on and on and on. If you love all of those things too, you should make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I come to you every day and share a tip, a trick, a product review, a product reveal, all kinds of fun stuff with you guys. So if you love Scentsy fragrance, like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is, I know what this is. This is the warmer and scent of the month. And I know you guys are watching this on January 2nd. I'm not filming it on January 2nd. So I actually got this a little bit early. And that's one of the perks of being a Scentsy consultant, is we get our hands on some products a little bit early, and the warmer and scent of the month is one of those items. But I had so many videos to share with you guys through the holiday season that this one just kind of got put on the back burner. So I have it scheduled for January 2nd. I am going to go ahead and pull out a couple things. I'm going to talk about them in a minute. This is our flyers for the scent of the month. We have the bar of the scent of the month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars of the scent of the month. And guys, this is brand new. Used to, we would get 8 bars of the scent of the month. They took it down to 7, but they are now giving us a pod in the scent of the month. Guys, this is a brand new perk and I am so stinking excited about it. So many of our customers are just really loving the fan diffuser products. So we've decided to start making the scent of the month in pods as well. And then on top of all that goodness, of course, we have a warmer here. I wish this was like interactive because I would see if you want to do the sniff test or the warmer reveal first, but you can't interact with me. I get scratch and sniff stickers too. So I am just going to go ahead and do a sniff test first, and then we'll do the warmer reveal. Now, the warmer and scent of the month is usually a month ahead of the holiday, if it's a holiday warmer. And this is definitely for Valentine's Day. So Candy Orchard is a cloud of spun sugar, mixes with sweet raspberry and warm vanilla in a candy-coated fantasy. Now guys, I always like to pop a bar out and sniff the bottom part of it. The reason for that, oh my goodness, that's so yummy. The reason for that is we use paraffin wax. We do that for quite a few different reasons, but one of the reasons is the scent loading ability. Paraffin wax can hold more fragrance oil than any other type of wax. That means we like massively load our wax bars with lots of fragrance. That's why we're the best on the market. That means that sometimes there's too much oil for the wax because we're like putting as much as we can in there and the oils sink to the bottom. In the warehouse, Scentsy bars are stored like this, and I recommend that you store your Scentsy bars like this too. That just means if you want the best scent experience, you should always flip a bar over if it's been sitting for a long time, because you're gonna get the most accurate sniff, the truest smell from the bottom of the bar. Guys, this is so yummy. I am thinking of my friend Jen. I know her favorite scent was sugar and it's been discontinued. This is going to be a close mix. It is so good. It's like sugar and black raspberry vanilla had a baby. If you have liked Candy Craze in the past or Cloudberry Dreams, this is like Cloudberry Dreams, but this is a little bit stronger. Cloudberry Dreams was very mild. I really love Candy Orchard. It's yummy. Super yummy. I think I might be using it as a mix for some cinnamon-based scents as well. Sometimes cinnamons are a little overwhelming to me and can get to be a little too much. So that's going to be a great mixer for me. So in my warmer and scent of the month kit, I get all those bars, 7 bars and the pods. I get 50 of these flyers, and it's going to show the warmer of the month and give all the information for me to pass out to my customers. I'm also going to get 72 scratch and sniff stickers. You guys remember back in the day, elementary school, when you would do well on a paper and the teacher would put a scratch and sniff sticker on it. We just thought we were the bomb.com when that happened. And scratch and sniff stickers are still super fun. So why not? Why not? All right, guys, let's check out this warmer. You might have been able to see it on the flyer there. Like I said, it's for Valentine's Day. So we're going to get a cute heart warmer. Now, we do have a full Valentine's collection releasing next Monday too. So make sure you pop in to my Sunday video. I'm going to be showing you all the new Valentine goodies there. This is so sweet. It's very plain. It is an element warmer, so there's no light bulb. It's very basic. You can see the base there. So it's going to sit like this, like a little sideways heart. You've got your dish here, all one piece on this warmer. When I say it's an element warmer, what I mean is instead of a light bulb, like a lot of our warmers, like this one back here uses a light bulb to warm the wax. This has a warming plate built into it, and you still have to plug it in. It does have an indicator light on the back, so you can tell if it's on or not. I don't even have to plug this in today because it's not going to light up or anything like that. The only thing the plug is going to do is turn on that warmer plate so you can melt down the wax. I love the filigree detail on this. While it's a very simple warmer, it's still really elegant. It is still Scentsy branded, of course. You're always going to see the Scentsy name on our warmers, except for those way old school ones. But all the new warmers have that. Element warmers are a fabulous choice for areas that you don't want a lot of light. A lot of people like element warmers for their bedrooms. I know that some people are grabbing them for their offices as well. Some offices, people get a little, I don't know, a little upset about whatever things, diffusers, warmers. Well, I know some people kind of sneak in an element warmer because it's a little unassuming. Like you could have this sitting on a shelf and no one would even know it was a Scentsy warmer. So you could still have your fragrance, and the Karen down the road in the cubicles would not complain because she wouldn't even know about it. So this is the warmer of the month for January. It is called Sweetheart. Of course. It's called Sweetheart. It is priced at $36, guys. That's a fabulous price. It's a $40 warmer. We always offer the warmer and the scent of the month for 10% off in the month that it comes out. So this is just $36 in the month of January. Your bars, normally $6, are $5.40. Your pods, normally $10, are, yeah, I just wanted to confirm that that wasn't just a consultant perk. Yes, we are offering the pods to customers as well. Normally $10, they would be $9, and not just a customer or consultant perk. You can get them too. Guys, you can grab this on my website right now at JamiJoSellsWax.com. If you have questions about this or anything else Scentsy related, make sure that you reach out to me. You can always put it in the comments here on this video or shoot me a text to 918-888-9690, and I'll be happy to help you there. Guys, my name is Jami Jo, and I hope that you have a sensational day.